How many cubic meters of earth must be dug out to sink a well 14-meter deep and having a radius of 4 meters? If the earth taken out is spread over a plot of dimensions this and this, what is the height of the platform so formed? Can you try this question out?
Okay. So do we have to draw like a rectangle and then take out a cylinder?
Uh, yeah, you can just assume that there is a ground, something like this. Okay, there is a ground from which you have to extract out a well which is 14 meters deep and the radius is given as 4 meters. Okay, it means a cylinder you have to dug out. So you have been asked that how many cubic meters of earth, it means how much volume of earth you have dug out in order to create this well.
Okay.
And again, that volume is spread over a volume, uh, over a plot having dimension this much volume. Let's say this is V, capital V. Okay. Now the same volume is being spread over a plot of dimensions 25 into 16. Let's suppose that this is the plot they are talking about. Okay. So the plot which is 25 over 16. Now the volume is being spread over this much. So the unit of volume is what? Unit of volume would be meters cube, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this is meter into meter. It means this is meter square. So a volume is being spread over an area. So what would this volume do? If this is volume and if this is being spread over, then that thing must also be the volume, right? So it means this area, once a certain amount of like earth has been put over here, something like this, then another layer would be put on, then another layer, which will make this thing have some height attained to it. Okay,
Oh,
because both
okay.
has have to be volume only. So
So is it
this
like
height so
the
formed, this
volume of
also
the
you have to.
cylinder divided by the plot area?
Yeah, yeah, exactly, because this also has to be the same volume V. It
Yeah,
means
okay.
V would be equal to, first of all, it would be equal to pi r square h, and that would be equal to 25 into 16 into h. Because both of the volume has to be same. So everywhere where you have to do this thing, that you have taken out some area, dug up some earth, and you are spreading it over some other area, you just have to make the two volumes to be equal to each other. It
So
means the
is it
first volume of the
14
cylinder,
pi out of 25?
yeah, sorry, what?
14 pi out of 25.
14 pi out of 25 means?
Like the height, 14 pi divided by 25.
Yeah, it would be 14 pi over 25. It means 44 over 25 would be the final answer. So this is h dash. Okay, h dash would be 44 over 25. This much meters. Okay,
Yeah, okay.
and this will be 16 into 44 meters cube. This is also one of the answers. This is the amount of earth that you will have to dig up to create this well in the subsurface. Okay,
Mhm.
these two would be the final answer for this. On to the next one. Any doubts in this one?
Wait. So we needed the volume? Okay. So
You
is it
take a
like,
good look.
wait. What was that second answer you said? I got the 44 out of 25. What was the other answer you said?
Like what have they asked? They have asked how
We
many
got the
cubic
height.
meters of earth
Okay.
must be dug out. It means how much volume of earth should we take out from the ground in order to make this cylindrical hole in the ground.
Okay.
So in order to create any kind of figure in the ground, the volume that you must dig out is equal to the volume of the earth. Like the volume of earth you are digging up is equal to the volume of the shape you are making, is equal to the volume of the cavity you are making. And the cavity
Okay.
that has been made here is that of a cylindrical shape. So the volume of
So
the
it's
earth
just the
that what would
cylinder
be,
volume?
yeah, simply equal to the cylinder volume. So this will be one of the answers. The first part's answer would be this, and the second part's answer would be this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Any doubts now?
Wait, but it says 16 times 44. Isn't it 16 times 14?
14 pi. And 14 pi is equal
Oh
to
yeah, yeah,
24.
yeah, okay. I see.
Okay, any doubts?
No, I got it.
Okay, on to the next one.